Guys, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a get ready with me for a Christmas party. We have my husband's Christmas work party tonight and I have got all dolled up for the occasion, but this is going to include some skincare and also my makeup. Yeah, if you want to see my outfit, head over to Instagram. But yeah, let's get into the video. So today I'm starting out all fresh faced and I'm going to use a face mask first to help me get ready. I love using this product before I have an event, or I need my makeup to last all day, or I just need my skin to look really nice and smooth and perfect. And I've actually teamed up with Sand and Sky to bring you this video. This is my favorite face mask of all time. This is the one where I can see instant results. It makes my skin look so much better and it really does improve my skin texture and feel and just overall look of it. I'm going to show you how it works today. I do have a first impressions video and I'll leave that down below if you haven't seen it. I did want to mention that they have a sale going on. So there is a Black Friday sale and they are going to have up to 40% off on their products, which is such an amazing deal. I wanted to let you know in advance so that you can jump on Black Friday. It actually does start on the Thursday 22nd of November, which is actually my birthday. It starts at 11 AM Australian Eastern Standard Time. You can jump on there from Thursday in the afternoon sometime and you can pick up the pink clay mask on sale. I'm going to jump in and show you how this one works. Okay, so opening it up, I love that it comes with a little brush. Okay, I'm going to show you a close-up of my skin so we can see some befores and after. I do love that it has this extra lid on it. It helps it keep it really nice and fresh. You want to have clean, fresh skin when you apply it. So I've just had a shower and taken off all my makeup, and then you want to pop it on with the little brush. Just paint it on your face. It does feel quite cool when you pop it on, and you will also notice a tingling feeling, but that just means that it's working. The benefits of this mask is that it's pore refining, so it's going to really smooth out your pores and really tighten up them and, you know, make them look all flush with your skin. It's also going to brighten up your complexion. For me, it does definitely help with my acne and reduce the appearance of my pimples. It takes away the inflammation of them. This product is also made from 100% natural ingredients, so it's just Australian clay. One of my favorite things about this is that the mask only needs to be on for 10 minutes. It is an all-over face mask, so you just want to make sure you get all of your face, and it can be used up to 3 times a week if you have oily skin as well. Okay, so you can see around the edges like it's starting to go white. So when your face is completely white, that's when you know that it's time to take it off, and that usually happens within 10 minutes. So I will see then. Here's just a little update. So it's been on for about 6 minutes at this stage. So just a little bit longer to go. Okay, so it's been about 12 minutes or so. This area, I probably put it on a little bit too thick. But I'm just gonna take a face washer and like that's how easy it just melts away. It like honestly doesn't take much. My skin just like, it looks so, I just can't get over it. It looks so smooth. This side was extremely textured before and it's honestly just smoothed it out. I'll show you befores and afters now. I did just wipe my face with the face washer, so it's a little bit red. But hopefully we can see the difference just between the pores. So there's my results from the Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Mask. Again, it's my favorite face mask. I love it. Moving on to my routine, I'm going to try this Ultra Smoothing Pore Refiner from UltraCeuticals. I'm gonna pop some on. And then I'm just using my Luxie Moisture Massager and I'm just going to moisture that in. I love using this for events and you've seen me use it in a video beforehand. But it makes my skin, like my skin should look amazing tonight. My Luxe actually have a sale on at the minute if you wanted to snap one of these moisture massagers up real cheap. I'll leave the details down below. I forgot to mention Sand and Sky have this little kit as well. So you get the beauty bag, the mask, and you also get a face cleansing mitt. Like yeah, that's really cute. You will notice I'm quite tanned, but my face is not, because I just had a shower when I got home and put on some more tan, but I didn't put any on my face because I knew I was going to do the mask. But I will match my face up to my body. So I'm gonna use the Becca primer. Just pop that everywhere. Oh my god, my skin feels so good. Oh, look how glowy it looks. I recently used this foundation in a video that I filmed, but I haven't put it out yet. So this is the Born This Way foundation in Warm Beige. The video was makeup that I forgot that I had. Just gonna take some of the Bye Bye Redness and pop it on like some of my really bad blemishes, just to cover them up. This foundation is like so dark when I put it on, but it will match my fake tan. So how's everyone going with their Christmas shopping? I, to be honest, really haven't done any, but in saying that, I don't think that we are really going to do much this year. This year we're going to visit my family in Adelaide. My sister lives up there, and she built a house just around the time we did, but I haven't been up to see it yet. So we are going to visit them, and my parents are coming down or going up there from Mount Gambier. And yeah, we'll just spend a few days over in Adelaide. We'll drive up, which takes about 7 hours. We usually split the Christmases between our families. So last year we did Dean's family, then this year my family. It's so hard when you've got, you know, multiple families and you know, need to divide yourself up with Christmas. I used to film these videos like all the time when I went and got ready for things, and I literally haven't done one in so long. I think because I used to film them because I used to work full time and I just didn't have the chance to film. And I think I've got a few like get ready with me, like Christmas ones. Maybe I'll link them down below. But they were probably like sped up ones. I have been working full-time hours lately just because we've been so busy. So that's why I haven't uploaded this week. And I'm really annoyed. I'm gonna sound like a broken record, but using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I love this. Like, it's so nice. This one's in Light Medium Honey. Really wanted to try and do Vlogmas this year, but I don't think that I'm going to have time to do it, and I don't really want to stress myself out by doing it. I know I talked about it in some comments to someone, but I just don't know if I can do it. Like, when I first did Vlogmas, like, I actually don't know how I used to work full time and upload so much. Like, I literally have no idea. And I know people would say to me, Crystal, how do you do so much? And I'm like, I don't know, you just do it. Just using some corrector underneath my eyes. Using my Benefit Agent Zero Shine Powder. Just gonna pop that underneath the eyes. So last night, the finale of The Bachelorette was on. I wasn't like that much into the season, but you know, as it got closer, like I didn't really watch the finale, but I watched like the rose ceremony. Not the rose ceremony, like the end ceremony. Yeah, like it was really good that they ended up together. I know like so many people were just so furious that she didn't pick Todd, but it's just like, you can't help who you love, hun. I enjoyed seeing it. Like, I can't believe how much flack Ali copped for, you know, doing the wrong things or pashing too many guys, or, you know, like little things like that that don't even matter in the long scheme of things. How many girls did the honey badger kiss and then didn't even pick one? At least she picked one, right? Then some Fresh and Flawless from Australis. Just gonna set everything else. But to be honest, like my favorite reality TV, like love series that I am really into is Love Island. Like I just loved Love Island. And then the UK one, I was just like, oh, this won't be any good. But it was way better. Like it was really, really good. So I can't wait for that to come on again. Move on to brows using my Benefit Ka-Brow. I have been totally meaning to do a video of me tinting my brows and my lashes. That's why they're so fair at the moment. But I just haven't had the time to. Quite busy on the weekends. It's my birthday next week and Dina and I are actually going to visit a peony farm. I've been so into my garden lately. And it's so nice now that all the flowers are coming out and the weather is good. Okay, just going in with some MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. Has anyone else's boyfriends, partners, husbands been addicted to, I don't know what it's called, Red Redemption or something like that? On the, I think it's on the PlayStation. Dean's been playing it right now, but he's been playing that and still, what is it called? The game where they play on the computer. I'm so bad. I literally look like I have no eyelashes. I've been loving this palette. This is from Mellow Cosmetics. It's the Cinnapia palette. Looks like this. It's so pretty. In typical usual crystal style, I'm gonna do a warm smoky eye. Going in with nude first up, and this is a really, really nice crease color. I've literally been using this palette non-stop since I got it. Just the perfect thing for like every day. Like, I mean, I don't go over the top with my makeup. Like, I'm just an average, very average kind of person when it comes to makeup. But this one I can find that I can really, you know, dress it up, dress it down. And then if I've got something on like after work, I can just use some of the darker colors and just dress it up a little bit. Next up, I'm going in with Cinnapia. I think that that's how you say it. Like, I mean, my bad if it's wrong. And then just blend that in together. And then using the same color on the lower lash line. I have this glitter from BH Cosmetics. This one's in Smoky Gold. So what do I want to do? I think I need to do the eyeliner before I do glitter. I've just used the L'Oreal little gel pot liner. Taking the color Dust, and I'm going to pop that on the lower lash line. So I have this e.l.f. glitter primer. I just want to apply like not even that much glitter, like just a little bit to the center of the lid. Oh yeah, I should be doing this. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty! I think I'm just gonna leave it at that because otherwise it's gonna get out of control. These are amazing. I think that these are really affordable as well. I don't even think, like, I didn't have that much fallout. I'm just gonna clean that up with just like an eyeliner pen. I recently used the new L'Oreal mascara, the Ultimate one, and it was really good. I filmed a video on it. But I don't know where it is, so I'm just going to use the Baby Miss, what is it called? Mega Volume Miss Baby Roll. And of course, I'm going to wear some falsies. I really so badly want to put up my Christmas decorations. Not even that we're here for Christmas, but I just want to like put them up. But then, what's the date? The 16th of November. I get a lot of questions on this. Are you still on keto? Give us a keto update. I haven't been on keto in, oh my gosh, I don't even know, maybe like 2 months or so. I just find that you have to be in the right frame of mind to do keto. And there was a while there where I was not in any kind of state of mind. I just haven't been back on keto. I really wanted to get back into it, but I just don't know if I'm ready for it. I don't know if I'm ready to go through keto flu again. But yeah, there's the update. There's the tea on keto. I've been loving the Too Faced Sun Bunny bronzer. It's very similar to the Hourglass one. Like, I mean, I do like the Hourglass one better, but this one is really nice too. Oh my god, that glitter is so pretty. I probably could make that out a bit, like a little bit darker. This just keeps getting worse and worse, but I'm going to use my Shade and Light palette from Kat Von D. Kat Von D is a bit of a touchy subject these days, but it's so frustrating because I really love this palette. Like, I mean, I don't have any other products that I really, really like, you know, ride or die of hers. You know what blush I've been loving lately? This is the NYX Baked Blush in Ignite. I don't even know if they have the same packaging as this one anymore. It comes in this like little thing like this. This blush, like, oh, it's so pretty. I love it. To go with the gold theme, I might use some of these Australis highlights. I love mixing this in with my foundation, but I kind of forgot to do that today. So I'm just going to take some on this beauty sponge that I've got here and just dab that on the top of my cheekbones there. And just see how that's given me like a really nice glow. Okay, I'm going to pop some lashes on. I did something today. I actually applied for a new job. So it's still within the same place that I work, but it's just, you know, at somewhere else. I've been in the same position for like 7 years, and I know there's a lot of you that can probably relate to being in the one place for quite a long time. I feel like it's really important to grow and just try out something new. So, you know, if you see new jobs that, you know, might pay a little bit better, or even ones that you think, oh, I don't know if I'm ready for it. I don't know if I have the confidence for it. Even if you just apply for it and see where it goes, you will learn from that experience. So if you're ever like in that position, I know so many of you would be, and you're looking at a job and you're like, I don't know if I could do it. You need to believe in yourself and trust yourself. Like, I mean, I don't know if I'm going to get this job. It doesn't matter if I don't, but I just thought I'd mention it to you guys because it's not something that I've done for a very long time. I've not gone for a new job in a very long time. And yeah, it's roughly like the same amount of hours that I'm doing now. It's a little bit more, and yeah, with a new different team. Oh yeah, my highlight. I'm going to dip into some Champagne Pop, I think. I don't remember if I used this in my last tutorial, but this like looks really, really nice on tanned skin, and I am quite tan today. So I'm just gonna pop that on. Such a beautiful highlight. Like, might just take some Champagne Pop and just pop it in the middle there and my brow bone. And then I'm gonna use some clear brow gel. This one's just by Savvy, just to set my brows. I'm gonna go in with some MAC Fix Plus. I really want to wear a red lip, but I want to be super basic and wear one that I've recently already worn because I really love both of them, so I don't know which one. Okay, I'm back. Time for my lips. So I just put on these earrings from Kmart. They're actually navy. They look black on the screen. I've got this black dress, but if you want to see a photo, go onto my Instagram because I have a photo on there. Really just loved this lipstick so much that I wore the other day. It's Mellow Cosmetics Danger Zone. It's like a pinky red, but it's so beautiful. Like, so I did just clip in my Zala hair extensions. It's so crazy because my hair is actually as long as my extensions now. Like, my hair is actually as long. These ones are in the Sunkissed highlights, and I did get the 20-inch, but I trimmed them. So I just have a 3-piece and then a 5-piece and then 2 2-pieces and then 2 1-pieces. That's all I have in. And then I just curled it with a big barreled curler. I do need to tan my hands still. I'll have to remember to do that before I go out. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this Get Ready With Me. I really enjoyed filming it for you. I hope you have fun at your Christmas festivities, whether they be at home, somewhere with workmates or with friends. And remember to be safe as well this time of year. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye. Very Merry Christmas.